The power of positive thinking plays a crucial role in achieving fitness goals. Here's how it can make a difference. 1. Improved motivation. Positive thinking helps you stay motivated, especially during tough times. When you believe in your ability to achieve your goals, you're more likely to push through challenges and stick to your workout routine. 2. Resilience. Fitness journeys are filled with ups and downs. Maintaining a positive mindset can help you bounce back from setbacks, whether it's a missed workout or slow progress. Instead of getting discouraged, positive thinkers view setbacks as opportunities to learn and improve. 3. Consistency. Positive thoughts encourage a proactive approach. When you approach fitness with optimism, you're more likely to stay consistent, recognizing that each workout, no matter how small, contributes to your long-term success. 4. Self-belief. Believing that you can improve your fitness enhances your self-efficacy. When you think positively about your abilities, you take on challenges with confidence and are more likely to succeed. 5. Stress reduction. Positive thinking reduces stress, which can have a significant impact on physical health. Stress can undermine your fitness efforts by affecting sleep, energy levels, and even weight. Maintaining a positive outlook can help mitigate stress and keep you focused on your goals. 6. Setting realistic goals. With a positive mindset, you're more likely to set realistic, achievable fitness goals, rather than focusing on unrealistic expectations. Positive thinkers focus on progress and celebrate small victories. Incorporating positive affirmations, visualizing success, and surrounding yourself with supportive influences can strengthen your mindset and propel you toward your fitness aspirations.